Are you boosting posts? If so, chances are that you are wasting a whole bunch of money right now. See, boosting posts is like going to a car dealership and literally buying the first car that you see. Will the car turn on and drive? Yeah, most likely. But is that likely to be the best car for you? Probably not. Boosting posts is pretty similar. Will you get in front of new eyeballs, get some likes, get some comments? Sure. But at the end of the day, likes and comments is not paying your bills. See, when we set up a Facebook ad, we can actually find people who want to buy, not just people who are going to view or click. Oh, and one other huge thing, did you know that there is a huge upcharge that happens through Apple when you are boosting your posts these days? It's costing you a whole lot more than you even realize. Another reason I'm not a fan is that you can't test anything. You could literally have the perfect ad, it could say all of the right things, and the video doesn't resonate. If you're not testing out that video in that first ad versus the exact same ad but with a totally different video, you're absolutely leaving money on the floor because one could fall flat on its face and one could do wonderfully, but you would never know that because through boosting, you can't do any kind of testing. Last thing, then I promise I'm done. When you boost a post, figuring out your return on ad spend is very difficult. When you run an actual ad, a properly made ad through Ads Manager, you can see exactly how much money came into your business. Follow this account for more e-commerce tips.